Around about a week ago, Apple released a brand new content drop for GarageBand for iOS's sound library called Backlight Bounce. It was with a wee bit of and all manner of. And of course, Apple immediately followed that up by releasing all of that content into GarageBand for Mac as well. Right? Yeah, right. All is not lost, however. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can access most of the sounds in the Backlight Bounce sound pack in GarageBand on your Mac. No iPad or iPhone required. Let's dive in. Hey, it's Patrick from the GarageBandGuide.com. Long-time viewers may remember that last year I shared a sneaky wee hack that allowed you to trick GarageBand on Mac into downloading otherwise unavailable iOS-only sounds onto your Mac. I'm delighted to tell you that that technique still works today. To do this, you need to import and open a GarageBand for iOS project file that includes at least one blue audio loop from the Backlight Bounce sound pack onto your Mac. Here's one I prepared earlier. Next, you want to right or control click on the GarageBand for iOS project file and select Open with GarageBand. You'll be prompted to rename the GarageBand for Mac version of the project file that will be created. When the project opens, this box will pop up telling you that some additional content is needed for this project and asking if you want to download it. Go ahead and click download, and you can check the progress of the download in the progress bar that appears underneath the LCD. You can see there that 81.7 megabits of content is being downloaded. Once that's done, GarageBand will take a second to re-index all of your Apple loops. And then once that's done, you can go and check out the loop browser, click on the loop packs drop down, and you'll see Backlight Bounce is available to select, and all of the loops are available for use. I'm going to make you a deal here, right? For every single like that this video gets, I'll send a unique, strongly worded email directly to Tim Cook, demanding that he release these sounds on GarageBand for Mac properly, immediately. So go ahead, do your part, and show me some thumb love down below. Now, this hack isn't perfect and it doesn't give you access to every single sound available in the iOS version of Backlight Bounce. Obviously, GarageBand for Mac doesn't include any kind of live loops, so you won't be getting access to the live loop grid that comes with the Backlight Bounce pack. Interestingly, in the latest version of Logic Pro, you do have access to live loop grids, but unfortunately, adding this content via this hack doesn't add the additional live loop grid to Logic Pro either. You also don't get access to any of the new drum kits that come with the pack, which is a bit of a shame as they were probably one of my favourite parts of the pack overall. And finally, there's the 24 new alchemy patches, and that's a bit more complicated. After all, these aren't completely new instruments or anything, they're simply using the alchemy synth. They are essentially presets. So if you were to import some of these new alchemy presets in your project that you've used to trigger this Backlight Bounce download on your Mac, they will play back using the presets imported for the GarageBand for iOS version exactly as they would on iOS. However, these presets won't be saved or available even in the GarageBand for Mac version, even after you import them. You can manually save them yourself, however. To do that, click on the imported Backlight Bounce patch that you want to save. With the library window open in GarageBand for Mac, click Save at the bottom. Rename the patch if you want in the window that pops up, and then hit Save again. You'll now be able to access that patch from the User Patches menu whenever you wish. That's one patch imported into GarageBand for Mac. But remember, there are 24 alchemy patches in the Backlight Bounce pack. So you need to go through the process of filling almost an entire GarageBand for iOS project with all 24 patches on separate tracks before importing them to GarageBand for Mac and then saving them all. Ugh. Except you don't, because I've done it for you. I filled a GarageBand for iOS project file with all of the synth patches in the Backlight Bounce pack, as well as an audio loop that will trigger the download of all the loops in the pack when you import it to GarageBand for Mac. And I've taken that file and uploaded it to Google Drive. Just like the last time we did this hack, you'll find a link in the description which will take you to a page on the GarageBandGuide.com where you can download the GarageBand for iOS project file. Then just unzip the file, save it to your desktop, open with GarageBand for Mac, and save a GarageBand for Mac version of the project. Then just follow the instructions from earlier in this video and save all of the instrument presets and loops. You can pick and choose the ones you like or save them all and supercharge your GarageBand for Mac instrument arsenal with these brilliant Backlight Bounce sounds. Alright, click right here for even more GarageBand knowledge bombs, and I'll see you next time. Take care of yourself. Bye for now.